Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. And for today's episode on the playlist of KNIME Analytics Platform 5 for beginners, today we will play around with three things. One is decision tree learner, gradient boosted tree learner, and random forest learner. So I have a data set here that deals with company jobs and if the person gets about more than 100K salary or not. Okay, and if it's a yes, it's one. If it's a no, it's zero. So let's go ahead and start off with our decision tree. So first things first, we'll always need to partition our data. So for that, let's go ahead and find out the partitioning node. Okay, let's just type it here. Partitioning node. Yeah, there you go. Do that, drag it, and for this, let's go ahead and keep it 70%, draw randomly and apply. Okay, execute. Perfect. Now let's uh, add our decision tree predictor. No, it's decision tree learner. And of course, we need to predict if we'll also need to check if it's correct or not, right? So for that, we'll also have to add a decision tree predictor. So this here, all the way this here, and this here. Now let's configure the node. So let's go ahead with job. Job is, yeah, let's go ahead with job and apply. Okay, execute. And for this, let's leave this as it is and execute. After this, you can go ahead and find out the score of this. And that's, yeah, this is the one. And for this, let's keep prediction of job. Oh, it's already there. Let's keep salary more than 100K. Apply and execute. You click open view. You will find that accuracy 0, error is 100%. So basically, it's wrong. So for that, you're supposed to change this to prediction, apply, change this. Let's keep it job, apply, okay. And hopefully it's different now. Oh, it's still different. But this is how it's supposed to do it. After this, let's go ahead and do the same thing for our gradient boosted tree learner. For that, search for gradient booster tree predictor, and we need the tree learner, which is this. Okay, delete this, send this up here, delete this, send this here, drag, drop, drag, drop, drag and drop again, and same thing. Now, the same thing, configure this to, let's keep it degree for now, apply, okay, okay, this as it is, apply and apply, open view. What did we pick here? We picked degree, right? So let's go ahead and check for degree. There you go. It should be different now. Error is 100%. It shouldn't work that way, but let's see how we can change this. This is as it is. Go here and prediction degree. Yes. Now it should be better. Yes. This is how it's supposed to look like. Okay. And so this is done. This is done with gradient booster tree. Now let's go ahead and pick something for random forest. Control C, Control V, drag, drop. Now search for random forest. We have random forest predictor and random forest learner. Delete, send this up, delete, send this up, and connect them. Do this, do that, and select. Now select this, and let's configure this. Since what did we pick last time? We picked degree. So let's go ahead and pick degree here again. Yeah, degree selected, apply, okay, execute. And for this, as it is, execute. And for this degree prediction degree, perfect. Apply, okay, execute. As you can see here, we have 20% of accuracy, which is it's very bad, but our data set is like that, so we can't really help it. But this is the process. Let's try for this. We said degree, right? So yeah, let's select degree. And for this okay, this is as it is. And for this prediction degree, yes. Now it should be perfect. And this is also 20%. So this is 20%. Our decision tree 20. You can also select this a way to check. Yeah, this one. Yeah, this is what I was talking about. This is something very important. Let's see if I can increase. Yeah, I hope this is visible to all of you. So we have selected. So this is how the decision tree looks like for this particular workflow. You can go ahead and pause if you would like to go through it even more clearly. And this is how. Okay, I don't think you can check this. Yeah, for this random forest, we can. This is how it looks. Let me zoom in and show it to you guys. Yeah, here you can go ahead and extend the graph and check it out. Okay, and yeah, now let's say you want to check which one is. Let's assume for a second in this scenario that we have different accuracies, and if you want to check which one performs the best, you can go ahead and plot the values in a graph. So in our case, it's not going to make a difference because all the accuracies for each model is 20%, which is very bad. But uh, just for sake of learning purpose, let me teach you how to do that. So there's a node called group by node. You take that. Oh wait, not group by, sorry, concatenate. There's concatenate, yes. This is the one. You take in this, take in that, add another concatenate node, which is after the concatenated and the remaining one. Execute this, and finally you can add a statistic uh, node. So with this, you can get a clear and detailed understanding of all the uh, what do you call these? I'm not really sure what these are called, but yeah, your accuracy, F mean score, all that stuff in a detailed manner for each and everything. Okay, you have a sum, you have mean absolute error or deviation here. Then you have a quantile, 25% quantile, 50% quantile. And you can also change whatever. You can add everything if you want, or you don't want to add everything, also no issues. But you basically can do everything after with the statistics node. So with this, I think I'll conclude today's episode. So what we've done today is how do you uh, find which how do you find the best model, and how do you split the data and figure out which one is the most suitable model for your data set. I hope you guys have understood, and in case you guys didn't understand anything or there are a few doubts, please let me know in the comments below, and I will surely check it out and reply. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.